Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to introduce how to open the box of FBC01. It's a super lightweight scooter. It's much easier. First of all, we need a opener or a knife or even a scissors just to cut the strap off. And then cut here. Then open the top. We can slide out the L column to the sides that a lot easier for us to drag out the unit. Lay down the scooter, lay down the box. Hold the handlebar here. It's very easy to pull out. This way, take out the plastic. Once you open up the box, please check you have a charger and a wire with connector, and also some simple tools. A key with user's manual. This is a fully manual control for folding and unfolding the scooter. Simply just tap the red lever here that you can open up the scooter easily. To fold the scooter easily, touch the lever here. Then you can fold it. Very simple and easy. We have a freewheel mode switch here. If you want to push by hand, push the lever up. That you can push by hand. If you want to control the scooter through electric, push it back. We can access the scooter from here. Adjust the rightmost length. Put the armrest back, turn on the key, touch the lever, we can go forward or backward. To charge the scooter, there are two ways. We have a battery charger with a connecting wire here that allow you to direct charge the scooter from the back. Simply just connecting the wire, insert into the charging port here that you can charge at home or at any power source as you want. The other way of charging is directly from battery. This is an off-board charger. First things we need to take care. People that want to take out the battery this way, it's not easy because we have a protection design. When you come to a bumping situation, the battery won't come out. So you need to do this way with your hand, push backwards, and then you can easily take out the battery without any problem at all. Right, open up the charging port here, insert it into here, then you can charge at any power source as you want. Very simple and easy. Then slide it back, push it down when you hear a sound click, and that's all set. Alright, that's a simple way of opening the box and initial setup the scooter. We hope you find the scooter very convenient and because it's super lightweight. Thank you very much. We hope to see you in the next video.